Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to one of the most important classes. I'm Dr. Diana. Today, we're going to talk about medical emergencies in the dental office. This is extremely important once again for the solving of the clinical cases and for real life. So, I hope you really enjoy it. It's a really short class and very practical one. So, try to pay attention and I hope you like it. Our first emergency, an emergency is considered as any state that will lead the patient to die if no immediate attention is given in the dental office. That means the attention we're going to give or sometimes call 911. Now, our first emergency is going to be the asthmatic attack. The signs and symptoms for an asthmatic attack are going to be